Nestled in the heart of France lies one of history's most magnificent architectural marvels, the Palace of Versailles. This sprawling estate, with its opulent decor and glimmering halls, served as a symbol of absolute monarchy, reflecting the grandeur and affluence of the French rulers. But beyond its enchanting beauty, Versailles was a hub of political intrigue, secret plans, and a world where power was the ultimate game. In the 17th century, Louis XIV, the Sun King, sought to relocate the French court from Paris to Versailles. His vision was to create not only a residence, but a stage where his power and influence were unequivocally displayed. The palace, flanked by intricately manicured gardens and fountains, became the center of French power, culture, and diplomacy. The court of Versailles was unlike any other. It was a labyrinth of social status, power struggles, and clandestine affairs. Behind its gilded walls, individuals played a dangerous game of alliances and rivalries. At the heart of this was the enigmatic figure, Madame de Maintenon. A humble beginnings as a governess, she cleverly ascended to become the secret wife of Louis XIV, wielding immense influence over court affairs. The whispering corridors of Versailles often resonated with rumors, secrets whispered by courtiers whose favor with the king could mean a rise to prominence or a swift fall from grace. Within this perilous environment lived the Duc de Lorraine, a charismatic noble with ambitions that spanned beyond mere wealth and title. His shadowy encounters and veiled conversations with foreign ambassadors hinted at clandestine scheming that could shift the political landscape. Amidst the splendor, there were plots simmering beneath the surface. The Queen's apartments were not merely spaces of leisure. They were venues for secret gatherings between loyal nobles who whispered of rebellion against the king's policies. These interspersed moments of treason blended seamlessly with the royal festivities, forming a tapestry of loyalty and betrayal. Versailles was a chessboard where each individual was a pawn, maneuvering through the predominantly cautious game. The Marquise de Pompadour, Louis XV's influential mistress, exemplified this masterful play. Her charm and intellect allowed her to maneuver through the precarious labyrinth, aligning herself with powerful allies and even, at times, countering unfavorable decrees. The artistry of diplomacy at Versailles was breathtaking, yet behind closed doors lay a realm of secrets, where letters encoded in disappearing ink contained agreements to topple opponents, where fast alliances were formed under the guise of lavish banquets. The Grand Hall of Mirrors, where treaties were signed and alliances sealed, stood as a testament to both achievements and illusions, a place where aspirations could lead to triumph or tragedy. In the end, the secrets of Versailles were as paradoxical as the monarchy itself, luxurious yet treacherous, illuminating the volatile dance of power and deceit. As the mirror reflected the opulence of the Sun King, it also shadowed the hidden machinations that thrived in the heart of absolute rule. Within these walls, where the past echoes furtively to the future, the French monarchy carved its legacy, wrapped in the dangerous elegance of intrigue that defined the majestic story of Versailles.